Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you the difference between laces. These are Jordan 11 laces in Jordan 13s. So that's what they look like. This one over here is the original. These are original laces. And these are the 11 fat laces. So there's a big difference in them. And these aren't technically 13s, but these are the Pro Strongs, the 2010 model, the Jordan Pro Strong. So I think I like them better with the fat laces in them. These are from Jordan 11s, the highs. And here's the difference in the laces. These are the originals. Those are the replacement Jordan 11s. So I don't know. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I'll show you what they look like on. Thanks for watching.